Wicked twisted.
Yeah. Right, you come down now.
I'm fitting a diesel heater. This is what we did. Go on. He's filming already, and then you're saying that.
I can cut this out.
Really
Just...
hard to open it.
I know. They always put it on me, don't they? Right. What?
Cause...
How am I going to start?
I'm fitting a Chinese diesel heater to a camper van, tapping into the fuel tank.
Yeah, but all I'm doing is putting the fuel line in and giving it to you, and you'll do the rest.
This is Pete. Pete works at Swanage Tyres. Pete's their top man, apart from Andy and Dave, his beautiful assistant. So what Peter is doing today, he's going to fit a nice Chinese diesel heater to this wonderfully
Embarrassing's kicked in now. I'm going red.
diesel tank. It's who we are.
Oh, and the
How's
miles
that?
water in there as well.
That's my perfume.
Yeah, what they said.
Why is there a line on it, Pete?
So I know where it comes back out. Where it goes back in the same way it comes out.
What's that bit, Pete?
Yeah, that's nothing.
Didn't need that bit.
Didn't need that bit. It's a bit brittle. So we are tapping into the fuel sender unit for a Chinese diesel heater. For a Chinese diesel heater. This is on a Mercedes Sprinter. Other models may vary. Cool. Just waste like a $5 worth of day's fuel. Get rid of that. No need for that. So look, the pickup's there, taps there, top's there. So all we're gonna do is, there's a little blank hole, drill that out, extend a bit of pipe into the swirl pot, and then put that to the diesel heater, and that's your fuel feed for the diesel heater.
How do we use a diesel heater without running out of fuel overnight to power the van the next day?
Well, you don't.
Don't put it all the way to the bottom of the tank.
Well, yeah. Alright. I'm gonna put it to the bottom of the tank.
No, you're not.
Alright. Oh, I didn't think there was going to be a diesel in it.
Yeah, it'll come out of the diesel tank.
So I've drilled out the spare fuel fitting. I've installed the fuel line to go into the swirl pot to about here, so you're still left with a quarter of a tank of fuel, so you don't run out completely. If you have it running too long, yeah, that's it.